Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix iTunes error 3194 in Windows. Now this is a common problem, and usually it happens when you have an Apple device like an iPhone or an iPad or an iPod Touch, and you wanna restore the firmware to a custom firmware or to a jailbroken firmware sometimes, or in some cases if you want to downgrade from a newer firmware to an older one, you get this 3194. Now don't be alarmed. I mean, it's not a big deal to get this error. It's a common problem, and it's an easy fix if you follow the instruction, which is I'm gonna show you step by step. What we will do basically, it's not gonna harm anything in your computer or your device. What we will do, we will temporarily disable the Apple's firmware signing service, and then we're gonna enable it again after we finish whatever we're gonna do. First thing we want to do is to exit iTunes if you have it open. And I want to apologize for my accent. I'll try my best to explain it the best way I can. I'm gonna go to iTunes. I'm gonna exit iTunes. Then I'm gonna go and locate something called hosts. It's a file that you know placed there by Apple on your computer. So we're gonna go to my computer. We're gonna go to the C drive or wherever we have our operating system in. We're gonna go to Windows, and then we're gonna go to System 32. After that, we're gonna go to drivers, and then etc, and then we're gonna see the hosts file over here. It looks like there's no program that's gonna open it, but all you gotta do is just double click on it, and then it's gonna ask you which program you want to use. We're gonna use the notepad. It's installed in every computer, so it should be easy. Then hit OK. You see the host file is open right now. All we gotta do now is take this right here. We're gonna copy it, and we're gonna go to the host file. We're gonna put it here at the end of the all this text. We're gonna save it, and then we're gonna exit. After that, what we need to do, excuse me, we're gonna open iTunes again. Whenever iTunes is open, now you want to connect your device. I don't have a device on hand right now, iPhone or iPad or iPod Touch. Just connect your device, and you want to put it in DFU mode. Now most people know how to do that, but in case if you don't, after you connect your Apple device, turn off your device, and then after that you want to press on the power button and on the home button at the same time for 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds you want to release the power button, but keep pressing the home button. Now whenever iTunes tells you that the device is now in recovery mode, then you release the home button, and you're gonna see here, basically here your device, you're gonna click on it, and you will see here update of the, and you will see here restore. Now you want to click on restore, and before you click on restore you want to make sure to press the shift button and then click on restore. This way iTunes will allow you to browse for the custom firmware that you want to do an update to, or the jailbreak firmware. Then you select it, and you'll let iTunes finish the updating process, and you will not face this issue anymore. Now whenever you finish updating your device to the custom firmware or the jailbroken firmware, and everything worked out fine hopefully, you want to delete this text from the host file, so you will bring everything back to the way it was before, and in the future if you want to do update you won't face any issues. So we want to go back to the host file, double click on it. As you can see, it's uh, it's still here, so we're gonna delete this part. Then we're gonna save the file, and then we're gonna exit, and that's it. Now we completed the whole process. uh, I want to take the chance to invite you also to our website. It's a great website. It's one of the top out there to unlock and jailbreak your Apple device. We cover the latest firmware, which is the Untethered Jailbreak for 4.3.2. Untethered basically means that whenever you jailbreak your iPhone, your iPad, or your iPod Touch, you don't have to connect your device to the computer every time your device reboots or if you lose power, in order to have your your Cydia there or your jailbroken status there. So you jailbreak it once and that's it. Now here you will see all the benefits. I'm sure you can go to it and check it out yourself. I'm gonna put the text for the address for the website there. It's unlocker.ws backslash apple backslash. Uh, Here you will see the compatible devices. It's even if you want to sign up, it's a good idea to check it out because we cover the iPhone 4, 3GS, 3G, 2G, the iPad, the iPod Touch, and the Apple TV. And here you'll see a complete list of all the devices that you can jailbreak, including the the firmware. And we will tell you if it's untethered jailbreak or just a jailbreak, and if we can unlock it or not. One of the great things right now available is the unlock for the iPhone 3GS 4.2 all basebands, and it's all untethered. So there's a lot of great benefits. I'm sure there's a lot of people know how to jailbreak and unlock their devices on their own, but it's a big investment. The Apple device that you have, it's expensive device. So unless you really know what you're doing, wouldn't recommend doing it yourself. But thank you for your time, and I hope I was able to help. And I would really appreciate your feedback, your comments on the YouTube. Thank you.